Okay, once again, good morning, everyone. So far, we have created accounting calendar and chart of account structure, right? So in the chart of account structures, so we made some mistake. Okay, let me show you that. So general ledger, accounting flexible. So yesterday we have created new chart of account structure, right? Even this also we can use, but let me show you what mistake we have done. Okay, we have deleted all of this. Okay, so here the second segment uh this was given both like department was given, so that's the reason we couldn't able to get like flex field qualifiers. Okay, it was coming only like account qualifiers and all, means it is coming as natural account qualifiers for department also. So for department, cost center qualifiers has to come. Okay, cost center qualifiers has to come. So this is this is cost center, okay, for department, and for account, natural account. Okay, fine. Okay, this is a not freezed. Okay, let's freeze it. Okay, freeze it. Else we can even use this also. Anything is fine. So simple. Only thing is we just need to add all. Okay, add all, and we need to remove this one. We need to use this new value set. So new value set we have to use. We have defined department, right, earlier. So instead of that, we have to use this. Okay. But when you are creating right value sets and all, you use it, but make sure to give exact value set here. Okay. Fine. So what we will do is we'll go and remove this. We'll use the existing one which we created. Save this. Go for here. Now click on segments one. So ABC company, ABC company, to ABC department. It seems it is working very slow. Might be server application server issue. So here use this one, the latest one. I'm using this latest, which is I defined. Okay. ABC account segment 3. ABC account. Fourth one is location, right? Segment 4. ABC location. Okay. Now put the cursor in the top level, flex field qualifiers, or save this and click flex field qualifiers. Go for balancing segment, enable this, save it. Second is cost center, cost center, save it, close the pop-up. So for the account, natural account, natural account. Okay, fine. Close this pop-up and freeze it and compile it. Okay, fine. Let the programs complete. Okay, fine. It's completing. Fine. Now let's go and check values. We have to go and add values in the value set, right? Flex fields, validation, values. So yesterday, I think we have added this too. Okay, for the company, click on find. For the department, we'll go and add. So this new one which we defined, right? New one we have to select. Okay, in this department. Fine. Now tell me, starting with HR department, finance 103, department 104, 106. MFG means a manufacturing. Okay, design department. Okay, fine. Now let's go and check here. So now it is coming to. Okay, fine. So we faced issue. It was coming three, like all the segments here. Account also is coming. So that is due to chart of account structure setup, missing setup. We have given um, department like ABC department for both department and account. That's the reason. Okay, fine. Just select default values. Yes, yes. For all of this. Okay. Save the form. Save it and try to close it. It will trigger a program. Flex field qualifies program. Yeah, let's see. So this is running now. So there is a shortcuts you can use, but normally if you want to go view or find request, go to view, request, find. Okay, fine. So if you don't need to use now shortcuts, you follow this, okay, manually going to all of this. So once you are familiar, then you can go and use shortcuts. Okay, fine. Fine. Next is, so I have to go on that. for account, right? So for the account, we will add, as of now, we'll add only one segment, means one value, ABC account 1001. So for the department, I followed only three series. Okay. For the account, I am following four series. Okay. Four series. 1001 is we have starting when we doing a multi-arc setup, right? Ledger creation and all, we required a retained earnings account. Okay. Retained, retained earnings account. So I just mentioned this description, and for this account, okay, the code is this 1001. Yes. Okay. So for this now, what you have to select, ownership will be there. Account type something ownership. Okay. Yeah, this one. This one you have to select. Okay. Ownership. Click on OK for retain earnings account. Okay. So this one account is enough as of now to define multi-arc, but going forward, we require lot of accounts to be added, like all cost elements to be added. Okay, fine. Save it. Close this. So one more, we have location, right? Location. So for the location, I'll go with this sequence. Triple one. So we have to define four locations. So how many organizations you have, right? Same. Like organizations. If you have five organizations, then you have to define five locations. So first is Bangalore, then Hyderabad, Hyderabad, Triple Three, Noida, Delhi. Okay, this four is enough now. This not required even. Okay, just select yes, yes. For this one location, we not given any qualify. Okay, okay, fine. So if you want to have the company prefix at the ending, okay, means ABC Bangalore location, ABC Hyderabad location, you can set up. That is fine. Okay, from which location it is and all, it is fine. So this thing whenever you select, right, it will display over there. Means ABC company Bangalore location, like this. So locations we will be defining for our organizations and also for customers. Customer is which location you want to ship the material and all. So that will be defining when you defining the customer creations and all. Okay, fine. So all value sets, values we have added. Next we will go and define legal entity. Okay, fine. To define legal entity, go to the setups. Just a second. Yeah. So go to the setups, financials. Okay. Accounting setup manager, accounting setup. So this is a UI form, user interface form. Okay. So far the forms are opening from here itself, right? So this is a user interface form. Okay, maximize it. So now go to the so default it will come here accounting setup. Okay, now you go to the legal entities tab, your top level legal entities tab, create legal entity. Click on create legal entity. So now you select in which country, territory it is, India. So defaultly the value will come United States. Okay, now set the legal entity name. So how the legal entity name you want to be ABC. So maximum how it will be their company and the name of the legal entity. Okay. So ABC India legal entity. Okay. So here it is ABC India Private Limited. Legal entity identifier you can set up like same either you can set up same or some number you can set up anything is fine. Okay. Legal entity identifier and the PAN number. This company PAN number something. Okay. ABC 00. It is in Bangalore. Okay. Something. These are all not required. Okay. So I see. This I'm not aware actually. Okay. Finance people might aware. Come down. So here address. Select existing address or create new address. This is like your head office address. Okay. Head office. I think we created one already address for a head office, right? Just go and search for that. Click on search. So we have defined one address. Will come lot of details. Okay. Fine. It is not coming up. Okay. Let's just go for create new address. Create new address and the same which you defined, right? Same one you can enter here. Legal address means where your head office, their operations are going on. Okay. So we have defined one address. Go to the HRMS, work structure, location, this one. It is fine. There is no validation. You can give anything. It is okay. 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 Fine. Email address if you want, you can give the email address as well. Okay. And mainly this naming ABC BG location. Okay. ABC BG. I'll just put like this. Okay. These are all optional information. Okay. Place of registration. Okay. When it is done, inspection done. Okay. And what business activity it is performing. All are this optional. Okay. Optional. Click on apply. Click on apply. So you have a message confirmation. So you have successfully created a new legal entity called, this is the one, ABC India legal entity. Okay, fine. Now go back to the accounting setup. Go back to the accounting setup. So now we have to create ledger, right? So this is ledger. So now create accounting setup. Click on create accounting setup. So you have already legal entity created, right? So you don't need to go on again, add create legal entity. Just click on add another row and you select here your legal entity name which you created just now. So this is the one. Select it and click on next. So there is icon button, right? Click on next. So once you click on next, this is the account. Okay, create accounting setup. Okay, this screen will come. Now here you set up ledger name. So what is the ledger name? ABC ledger. The chart of account which you defined, we have defined chart of account, right? That chart of account you have to select here. Now we are giving association, like when you're defining a ledger, you're telling, so this for this ledger, this is the chart of account. So this is the one, right? And what is the accounting calendar? So we have defined accounting calendar, right? Accounting calendar. Just give the prefix and click on search. If you not give this one, right, what will happen? It will come lot of details. See, lot of details it will come. So there are many people are practicing, right? So that's why. So we are using starting prefix, means company prefix to identify. So which is related to us. Select it. And the currency, it is INR. So Indian rupee. Okay. So this is subledger accounting method. The standard something standard accrual is there that you select. This is Oracle provided one. Okay. Okay. Now chart of account is like 4 C's, right? It means ledger is like 4 C's. So ledger is a 4 C's. Chart of account, accounting calendar, currency, subledger accounting method. In a theory, we discussed, right, 4 C's. So this is 4 C's we have defined. We have now ready. Now click for next. Click on next. Okay. So information. So carefully review your accounting structure before saving. Once saved, you will you will be unable to change your primary ledger. To make changes, move back previous to page. Okay. So this is actually once you do setup, right, again if something is mistake and again we have to create all things. Okay, all the things we have to create again. It's like one time setup only. One time setup, that too one time you have to set up carefully. If something mistake, it is not refresh actually. The same how we did the chart of account structure and we made some mistake and it is already triggered and it is all the tables it is refreshed and again we went and done some changes, it is not reflected, right? Same way. So go for next. We should have another account to become. Yeah, just click on next. Yeah, click on next. Now this is the confirmation accounting setup. ABC India Primary Ledger has been successfully saved. Okay. So you have just saved the accounting structure ABC India ledger. Before you can enter transaction and perform accounting, you must define accounting options. Okay. Yes, we need to define accounting options. So click on define accounting options. Okay, here, this button, click on define accounting options. So this page will come. So here we define a balancing segment, right? For the balance segment qualifiers, what we assign? Company we assign. So that company you have to select here. So click on this pencil icon, update icon, either pencil or update icon. So value set, this is the value set, right? We assigned for balancing segment. Hmm? That one you can add here. Add it. There are two. Okay, India and ABCNC. Select the India. Select. Click on apply. Okay, now you see it is added now. Balance segment is added. Okay, now come down. So ledger options. So these are all we have to complete. So if you see here, this is the icon. Okay, clock symbol, like in process symbol, you can say either clock or in process symbol. So this symbol should be in tick mark, like how you see here, right? The right mark, tick mark should be here. Then only it means it is completed. To make this into tick mark, right? You have to update the ledger options. Click on this update icon. And one more thing, if you observe here, so these are all in disable mode. It means once you complete this ledger option setup, okay, ledger option setup, then this will enable. Okay, fine. Click on update. Okay, just just observe here, everything will be defaulted, and this is short name is Oracle generated. It will generate some number. Okay, some number, and what is the currency? Okay, what is the currency you are using, and this is the chart of account, cannot be updatable now. Okay, see, cannot be updatable. And this is the accounting calendar you are using, and this is the period type, this is the one. Okay, and first starting period Jan. So this will default automatically. Okay, click on next. Click on next. Fine. So now retain endings account, this account we have added, right? We have added in the value set, values, account value set we have added, correct? Like go and click on this symbol, click on this symbol. So it will open a structure. So this is our chart of account structure, right? In this way, in this way, we are going and creating all GL code combinations. Okay. First is what? Company. What is the company? It is India. Next, department. So all this financial ledger related, right? Finance department only. So these are the departments we have added in the value set, right? So those values will appear here. Okay. For retain earnings account, there is only one account is we added. Okay. Retain earnings account. That's it. And the locations we have added 4 locations, correct? 4 locations will come here. Okay. 4 locations will come. And one more thing, sometimes this location is an optional. It is not a mandatory. Okay. If you see here, which are all mandatory, see wherever you see star mark, right? So this is mandatory. This is mandatory. Okay. And if you don't see star mark, right, that is an optional. Okay, that is an optional. Fine. The ledger we are defining, it's more on Bangalore, right? I'll select Bangalore for now. But later, if required, we'll go on to make it as optional, so that we don't need to select. We can even continue with these 3 segments. Okay. Okay, you select this. So as of now, there is no any code combination is defined. Just search. Just search. Okay. What is telling? No results found. Okay, and just click on create. So this create button, how it will be enabled when you creating a chart of account structure, you have allow dynamic insert. right? I was telling like allow dynamic insert should be there. So that allow dynamic insert, if it is enabled, then this create button will enable. If it is disabled, right, then this will not appear. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to define first code combination in GL tables, and again you have to come here and enter and search, then data will come. So to avoid that long process, we if we enable allow dynamic insert, so while you're doing the transaction itself, you can select any code combination, and once you save, it will create with that code combination. Okay, just click on create. See in the below, the code combination is created now. So in all the transactions, it won't show you like, okay, India Private Limited, Department, Finance Department, retained earnings account, Bangalore location. It won't show you. It will just show you this code combination. That's it. So by seeing this code combination, the business team, like business head, CEOs, see if the CEOs not remember, directors and financier managers, they will remember, they will know. Okay, they'll get to know. And if they want to know exact description of this code combination, they can easily get. Okay, with this code combination, the transaction will be hitting and the transaction will be posting to GL. Okay, and a specific to account. Okay, how much transaction is performed and it is in which department. So they will be having a consolidated reports. Okay, consolidated reports. Select this radio button. So wherever you see this one, right, circle, that is radio button. Okay, select. So these are all not a mandatory. If you are a finance consultant, then we should be aware of this. Okay, as for now, since it is not a mandatory, so we can ignore and we can continue. Click on next. Okay, these are all also. The required things we'll discuss for SCM. Okay, so see all of this. Just observe all of this and click on finish it. Finish. Okay. Now if you see, it is came with a tick mark. And next, all these are enabled. See, all are enabled. Earlier it wasn't disabled. Click on update icon. Add reporting currency. We already had it, right? Period, rate, and type. Some corporate will be there. You select this one. Yeah, select this one. Complete. See, it is now completed. Next is balance and segment values. So I think we have already here, right? We added here already. So no need. Just click on complete. So next is it will automatically. So ledger accounting options will come automatically completed. No need to worry. So next is operating units. So you have to go and add operating units here. So add operating unit. So we discussed as per the multi-arc structure, we will be having two operating units, right? ABC, SI, OU, South India OU. Okay, South India OU. Let me write. This is short name. Okay, short name. Either you can give underscore, it is fine. So now you are linking the business group here. You are linking the business group here. So we define business group, right? ABC India Business Group. Lines the India Private Limited. And this is legal entity, ABC India legal entity. Okay, fine. So this is the one. Add another. Or you go and click on apply and again click on new add new other, or you just click on add other. ABC ABC NIOU. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, okay. Select. We have 1 minute. Let's connect again. Click on apply. So these two we defined: South India, North India. Okay. Click on complete. The business group either you can create while you creating a ledger, or separately also you can create. Okay, separately also you can create. Fine. So next is intercompany accounts. This we don't need to